our CMCs. Ngizonikeza a short message of support as a counselor. To the kids, abafana namantombazane lawa ala endlini. Manager wethu, national manager for election, it's Dr. Khalima Motlanthe. You can remember Lilo Gama. Khalima has stated that there is no councillor that is going to get into the boardroom without a matric. Awusakwazi ukuphakanyisela isandla just because you want to be a councillor. You must have a matric going forward, going up. So this event is not just an event, but inomthandazo phakathi. Let our kids at least get the matric so that they will be able to be seen as into khona. Ngoba uma ungenawo matric bantu abami la emhlabeni lesileke kuwona, you won't do anything. You can't even be a councillor. So ngiyanibingelela ngegama elithi I'm greeting first time voters. Agcwele la endlini. First time voters agcwele la endlini. Ngibingelela our first people who will go to the voting station and vote. Bazothi sizobuya sigeze sitsha, sizobuya siqine, sizobuya sigeze, but for now we are going to vote on the 4th of November. Ngibingelela labo bantu abayo leo generation egcwele la endlini ezohamba iyovota to change the situation as it is. Ngibingelela ikakhulukazi in this month of August, ngibingelela kakhulu omama. I know even if you can go to IEC now, you will find that all the women are the most registered to vote. And previously, the women are the most who went to the voting station and vote. Ama numbers are lying, they don't talk lie. Numbers, they're always correct. But abantu besifazane are the women that vote more than anyone else. So siyabingelela kakhulu kulabo mama abayikhomithile as councillors ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bahambe bayovota ekuseni ukuthi kushaye u9 ukuthi kushaye u10 kushaye u12 sibe sesazi ukuthi sikuphi nelokhutshana thina ezomama. So ngalawo mazwi ngiyafisa ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi shomkhulu wase Escort High, ngibonge kakhulu kothisha omkhulu bonke on all the schools, all principal bonke.